Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for robotics. Start with core Python concepts like variables, loops, and functions. This foundation is crucial for writing any code. Then, explore data structures such as lists and dictionaries and grasp basic algorithms. Finally, set up your Python environment, including an IDE and necessary libraries, to begin your robotics journey. Dive into essential Python libraries for robotics. ROS, or Robot Operating System, is fundamental for controlling and communicating with robots. OpenCV is vital for processing visual data from cameras, enabling robots to see. NumPy provides powerful tools for numerical computations, which are indispensable for robot kinematics and data analysis. Apply your knowledge through practical projects. Start with simple tasks like controlling a robotic arm or navigating a small mobile robot. Use simulation tools to test your code in a virtual environment before deploying it to physical hardware. Consider contributing to open-source robotics projects to gain real-world experience and collaborate with others. To advance further, delve into machine learning for tasks like object recognition and autonomous decision-making. Investigate advanced control systems for precise robot manipulation and navigation. Continuously learn about new developments in robotics and Python to keep your skills sharp and adapt to evolving technologies in the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.